Cottingham lies 4 miles or 6.4 kilometers northwest of the center of Kingston upon Hull, and 6 miles or 9.7 km southeast of Beverley on the eastern edge of the Yorkshire Wolds. As I pass entrance 2 to Castle Hill Hospital, welcome to another driving video. This one is around Cottingham, a large village and civil parish in the East Riding of Yorkshire, England, and shot over a couple of visits in March 2023. The next right where the car just appeared, is Wheatley Drive, a no-through road. And where the truck is waiting is entrance 3 to Castle Hill Hospital. This is Castle Road, by the way. Coming up on the left is Green Lane. Then on the right Taylor Avenue, a no-through road. Where the white car is waiting on the right is Willerby Low Road. The next left is St. Margaret's Avenue. This road now becomes Southwood Road. The next right is Burton Road. Where the car is emerging is Winston Drive. Coming up on the right is Southwood Gardens, a no-through road. At the mini roundabout, right is the parkway and local shops. Southwood Road continues left and is signposted Hull B1233, Beverley A164. The next right is the cul-de-sac Southwood Drive. Just after these parked cars is Southwood Avenue, a no-through road. At this mini roundabout, left is Baynard Avenue and later Beverley on the A164. Right is Hull using South Street. I'll drive along there later. This is also the B1233. At this mini roundabout, left will eventually take you to the A164 in Beverley, as well as York on the A1079. Right is Cottingham Village Centre using the road known as Holgate. The next two rights are West Green. The village has two main shopping streets, Holgate and King Street, which cross each other near the Church of St. Mary the Virgin, and a market square called Market Green. Cottingham had a population of 17,164 residents according to the 2011 UK census, making it larger by area and population than many towns. As a result, it is one of the villages claiming to be the largest village in England. The next left is George Street. This is the first time I've been to Cottingham. I like what I see. At the lights left and right is King Street, which I will drive along later. Straight on is still Holgate. Cottingham Parish Church, dedicated to St. Mary the Virgin, was built between 1272 and 1370. It is a large cruciform stone-built church in a mixture of the decorated and perpendicular Gothic styles. The tower was built in the 15th century. I decided to turn around in the cul-de-sac Kirby Drive. By the bus is the Cottingham Green Car Park. I believe this is where the market is held as it's closed Thursdays. I know the village holds a popular market every Thursday, with a variety of traditional and modern stalls. The right opposite the white van is Finkel Street. Where the red car is, leads to Kingtree Car Park and around the back of the shops. Ahead is Newgate Street to the left and South Street the right. At this point I will switch to a later visit where I enter coming in on South Street. It's a few days later, and I am approaching the mini roundabout at Baynard Avenue and South Street. I'll head into the village center using South Street. By the red post box on the right, is the cul-de-sac Elmfield Drive. Then also on the right, another cul-de-sac Cedar Avenue. Followed by the no-through road Bacon Garth Lane, just where the blue car is. The road on the right is Oakdean. Back onto King Street. Back at the lights where King Street crosses Holgate. Where that car is turning is for long stay parking in the co-op. This mini roundabout joins Northgate. Left heads out towards Beverley. Right heads out of the village over the railway lines. Northgate continues straight over, but I'm going to pop into Aldi. This is Summer Drive with Field Close on the right, both no-through roads. Back in a bit. Shopping done and joining Northgate. Right is towards King Street, left is my way out. On the right is Queen's Drive. Where the silver transit is exiting, is the entrance to Cottingham Sports Centre. Where the red car just pulled out of is George Street, which joins up with Holgate. Followed by Park Lane on the right. At the mini roundabout ahead, left is the B1233, also known as West End Road. Straight on is also the B1233 and known as Harland Way. Right is the Lawns, a former student accommodation complex for the University of Hull. I am not sure what it is now. This is not the only way back to the A164, but it is the one I am using today. The right opposite the roadworks, is the cul-de-sac The Woodlands. The next left is Mill Lane, a no-through road. I am going to double speed the video now. There is less to see as I am exiting Cottingham, and I am sure you must be getting bored by now. The next lefts are Jack Harrison Avenue and Wilson Drive. Coming up on the left is Kelgate Road, a no-through road. Woodhill Way is on the right. This is Skidby Roundabout and where I will join the A164. Right is Beverley, also York. Left is the Humber Bridge, Hull and the M62. Straight over is Skidby. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time. Cheerio.